Course Copy feature in Moodle 3.9. Funded by the Moodle Users Association and developed by Moodle partner Catalyst, a new Course Copy feature allows those with the relevant permissions to easily duplicate courses. Here, our manager wants to copy the climate change course, and to do so, she clicks on the cog icon top right of the course and then Copy Course. She specifies certain settings, including keeping user data or not and roles, and then presses the button to copy and view or copy and return. Alternatively, she can copy a course from the Course and Category Management screen by clicking the copy icon next to the course in question. To summarise, courses can be copied in Moodle 3.9 from within the course or from the Course and Category Management screen.